For the bird dog, make sure that you keep your spine neutral. You want your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. First, tighten up your core, and then we're going to lift your leg and opposite arm, and you lift it or reach it out. And when you do this, the goal is to not shift your body. And when you bring them both down and you switch, that transition, you should feel through your core if you stay tight and you do not shift. So that is the key. And you squeeze the glutes as you extend the leg out. Keep your core tight. No movement should happen, and you should feel this in your core.